Hi guys, this is Loai with you from eeschoolonline.com and welcome to your first challenge. It's a practice activity and a challenge. The intention here is to get you used to the program. So when you start covering all the details later on, you feel comfortable, and mainly I want you to have fun. This being your first challenge, I really don't want you to start working so hard on this animation, but to open After Effects and try doing something. Even if it doesn't work with you, for now it's okay. As long as you have tried, for me, this practical challenge is done. You have achieved it. I'll show you here the animation I would like you to do, and then in the next lecture, I will show you how to create it. Let's play the animation by pressing on the spacebar and see what's it all about. Here you are. So actually it's a very simple animation here. I will click on the time indicator and scrub through very slowly to show you how it's done. So first, you need to bring in your video. Remember, you right click over here in the project panel and say import file and go fetch a nice video. Or you can use from the one you have downloaded. Then you have to create your shape layer. Remember, we used the shape tool here. Then you create both text. Here you are. So now you have completed the design. After that, you want to start animating. And remember, to start animating, use the stopwatch. And of course, you change the time, change the place of the animation, and you will end up with a very nice animation. Okay, guys, so I hope you will dive in After Effects and start working this simple animation. Get used to After Effects. Don't worry about all the details. They're not important for now. Just this first title is very important, so you gain the courage, the confidence, like, wow, I can do motion graphics. Remember, it's all about fun. So I will see you in the next lecture with a tutorial about how to do this animation. See you then.